name is Kajal Pandey and basically I'm from Rourkela, Odisha. So let me just tell you something about myself, that I am international taekwondo player, I am international marathon runner, and currently I am India's one and only girl who holds 7 Book of World Records on a single day, you can say on a single attempt. And if you say overall, so I also have a Guinness Book of World Record for my team event, which was under Mr. Jayant Reddy sir. So currently I hold 8 Guinness Book of World Record. So this was what I achieved. So just let me tell you something about the journey, that how it went and how I become this much capable. So let me just tell you, the journey was not very easy. Like at least 10 to 15 years I have devoted to martial art. First I learned karate for the basics, and then I switched to taekwondo, and thereafter I pursued taekwondo. In this basic situation, I have also went through how to turn my biggest weakness into my biggest strength. And my biggest weakness was, let me just tell you guys very frankly and very proudly, because I have turned it into my strength. So that was how was minus 13.5, or you can say that is minus 13.5. So yeah, it took me a long time to overcome this weakness, because I personally think that there is no such thing called weakness. If God has given us or lacked us something, then that is what made us unique. Because अगर हमारे अंदर कोई weakness, कोई कमी नहीं होती तो सब perfect होते, और perfect दुनिया फिर कितनी boring हो जाती. So that's why God has given us some of the things which we lack, and we have to work on it. So this was how my journey started. I started practicing, I think, when I was in class 2 to 3 or 4, class 3 probably you can take. So yeah, when I started in class 3, the society was like, nahi, ye to ladkiyon wala kaam hai, this is not like what girls do. And there were many catcalls also. There were many people who were telling to my parents that don't send your girl, like she's a girl, she's your daughter, so don't send between the boys, because this martial artist has no scope, no career, and it is all about boys things. So that time I was very blessed that my parents had sent me to the martial art classes. My parents supported me a lot in the times when I was about to give up. That was you can say the peak time, but yeah, my parents supported me a lot. When I was about to give up, that was you can say the peak time, but yeah, my parents supported me a lot. My master, both the masters of karate, Mr. Santosh Tanti sir, as well as Master Akash Kumar Nayak sir, both of them has taught me a lot of things, and both of them has taught me that how to build yourself, how to fight. Like generally होता है ना, hurdles आते हैं, and we used to scare and no, हम नहीं कर सकते. So both the masters of my life has taught me कि लड़ो, जीतो हारो, that doesn't matter, लड़ो. And yeah, the craze of winning, I would like to say that if I tell you about my academics also, I am good in academics, I am good in co-curricular activities as well as sports. So there was a craze to be unique, because the society has catcalled me so much of time कि नहीं यार लड़की को चश्मा लगा हुआ है, no यार लड़की है, so she can't do this, she can't do that. So I was so determined कि नहीं भाई, I have to be very unique. So this craze of being unique has led the craze of winning, because every time I win, that is a slap to the society which thinks that martial art is only for boys, not for girls. So yeah, this is how my journey started, and I am very much thankful to everybody who is a part of this journey and is continue to be the part of journey, especially my parents, my masters, and each and every people. I also request you all to please support other sportsmen also, please support us also, because see, we need your support. Without your support we can't do much further. So we need all your support, and please try to support as much as possible. As well as I also want to tell you about one more thing, that is I'm related to a campaign like where I give interviews to the people, and I tell them about the martial art, about the taekwondo, because you know, when we talk about martial art, there are only like, when we talk about martial art, when I say I'm a martial artist, you will be thinking that, oh, karate wali hai. Nobody tells about taekwondo, because awareness is not there. So I am on a mission where I make awareness regarding each and every sports and each and every social causes, issues. So yeah, you can go and watch my IGTV also regarding that, and if you need any of the help, please tell me. I will be very happy to make you. Yeah, thank you so much.